Hi, I'm Geeta, CEO of Maverick, and we've been discussing about the primal pattern movements. We have discussed about gait, your twist, bend, squat, lunge, push, and finally here we are to discuss about pull. Indian women had, even men for that matter, had the opportunity of pulling water out of the well. That was a pretty effective exercise because they had to lift an amount of weight using a pulley and take out that water from the well. Nowadays we hardly do any pulling. In our daily life there is hardly any need for any pulling because we have machines that do it for us. But it is a movement that actually effectively helps us train our muscles. In a modern gym environment, we do have any number of pull equipments that can be done. We have the functional trainer in which several pull exercises can be done. In a home environment, we can do a lot of pull in terms of, even with a small rubber tubing, certain pulling exercises can be taught where it is tied to something and you're taught to pull. Ideally, you should start learning your pull right from when you're a child, like how in school they would have the monkey bar and make the child just hang there from that monkey bar. That is your basic pull exercise where you're able to hold on your body's weight and pull yourself up using your strength in your hands. That is the basic pull exercise. Let's see a few demonstrations and variations of the same. Your pull exercises are very, very important. The one that's being demonstrated right now is a lat pull down. It's a seated lat pull down. The weight is chosen depending on the fitness level of the person performing. A little more challenging would be when it is heavier and it's not done in a seated posture where your TA muscles are also activated. A simpler exercise that can be done even at home is done with a tubing. The level of the tubing can also be decided based on the fitness level of the person performing, 1, 2 or 3. This is called the horizontal pull-ups. Here we have a bent knee, which is easier. Ideally, people who do fitness training for a long period in time can do a vertical pull-up. But to begin with, we need to start where we can, and a horizontal pull-up is a very good start. The same thing can be a little more challenging when the legs are stretched out without a bent knee. It becomes very much more challenging when it is a straight knee and not bent. This is almost close to the vertical pull-up. A pull-up is a challenge even for men who have been training for a long time. And for women, it can be a very big challenge. So if a woman can do a vertical pull-up, even one repetition, it's considered to be great fitness levels. Even if you find that you don't have time to join a gym and do a structured exercise program, even if you think you cannot follow a regular pattern or be part of a group that does group exercises, I think it's important as a human being to follow these basic 7 primal pattern movements and ensure that you do these movements on a daily basis. Your gait or your walk, squats, lunges, twist, bend, push and pull, because these are what our body is tuned to do, and we should not miss out on any of these movements over the course of our living history.